Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making loaded potato soup. The ingredients that we're going to need today are water, olive oil, ground black pepper, salt-free Mrs. Dash the garlic and herb, Italian seasoning, chicken bouillon powder, unsalted butter, whole milk, all-purpose flour, chives, shredded sharp cheddar cheese, russet potatoes, onion, scallions, garlic cloves, and also turkey bacon. You can use the bacon of your choice. Okay guys, I have all my ingredients measured out. So we're going to need 4 cups of water, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 2 pounds of russet potatoes. You want to peel them and cut them into cubes. Also sour cream, 2 cups of milk, 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Add 6 slices of the turkey bacon, which I just chopped up and fried, or you can use the bacon of your choice. 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon powder, 2 cups of the shredded sharp cheddar cheese, 3 large garlic cloves minced, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. We have scallions cut up, 1 onion diced, 2 tablespoons of Mrs. Dash no salt garlic and herb seasoning. I've chopped up some chives and 1/8 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Okay guys, you want to bring your pot to temperature. You want to add in your tablespoon of olive oil. To that, you want to add your 3 tablespoons of your unsalted butter, and you want to let it melt. Once melted, you want to add in your onion and also your minced garlic. And we're going to let that saute for about 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, you want to start working in your flour. And we're just going to combine it until the flour is mixed all the way through. You don't want any lumps. Okay guys, now we're going to add in our 4 cups of water. You also want to add in your chicken bouillon powder, and we're going to give that a stir. Now you want to add in your milk, also your garlic and herb seasoning, your Italian seasoning, and also your ground black pepper. We're just going to mix that, and you want it to come to a boil. While you're waiting for it to come to a boil, you can now add in your potatoes. And just give that a stir real quick. Okay, once it comes to a boil, we're going to go ahead and put our lid over top, and we're going to lower the heat, and we're going to let it simmer for 40 to 45 minutes. Okay guys, so our soup is done. About to take the lid off. As you can see, it looks delicious. It smells so good. So now I'm going to add in 1 cup of the cheddar cheese. And also I'm going to add in some of the bacon. I'm going to reserve some for garnish at the end also. Okay, all I'm going to do is mix it until the cheese melts. Okay guys, now it's time for us to put our garnish on top of our soup. So I'm going to add in some sour cream. Just a little bit of scallions. Add some chives. Some of our cheese. And a little bit more of our bacon. Okay guys, so here we have it, our loaded potato soup. Look how beautiful that looks. And it tastes amazing. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.